university elections. I would not call it as an election, but a BJP staged TIATR that takes place in Goa University every year. This year, it has so happened that most of the university representatives have also not been elected, but have been nominated because of various reasons of floods, wherein colleges were also not there during the election process, where students have not attended college also. So in such a time when Goa was facing such a grief time, there was a BJP staged TIATR and elections have not taken place, and only nominations in various colleges have taken place, wherein 84 elected representatives of UFRs have come out. Keeping this in mind that elections are not taking place and students are not getting a representation, we are facing problems as students, is various student issues have not been solved. The biggest issue that happened 2 weeks back during the university elections is wherein a student was attacked, which everyone is aware of and the media had also covered, wherein a student from Salgaonkar College had been attacked. And after so much time, after even 2 to 3 weeks, we are not seeing any response. Neither has there been a response from the police department, neither has there been an investigation. And if the police is not being able to catch small criminals of colleges that are coming and attacking and coming out with knives to students, then what is the Home Department for, and how will you tackle the big problems that the entire state is facing? We have been completely demanding that there has to be an action, if there is no action, there will be no trust in the election system itself. University ranking is dropping day by day. The main issue is that the student issues are not being solved, and this is why the university ranking has been dropping. If the university believes in the democracy of India, believes in a democratic system, we kindly request them that on 16th of this month, when the elections will take place, all the students, the 28,000 students that are there, have to be allowed to vote for their chairman. All the students are not allowed to vote, then it is not the student representation that we will have, and again we will have a problem and the issues will not be solved. And if all the 28,000 students are not allowed to vote, like we've always been demanding of open elections where all the students have the right to vote for the main council, then we will be boycotting the elections.